Welcome to Let's Talk Aesthetics. So today I'm going to be speaking with somebody who is really redefining the whole standard of care and the quality of care. I am talking about Dr. Sukaina, who is not only working with aesthetic life, but also just trailblazing and making sure every single procedure that comes to the market is of highest quality. So let's go and see why she is doing this and what makes her work so special. All right, welcome back to Let's Talk Aesthetics. And if you're looking for some quality products and quality people, you have to be in the know. And I am gonna get you in the know. We have a very special guest today with us from Aesthetics Life, Dr. Sukaina. Welcome, Dr. Sukaina.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here today.
So tell us a little bit about yourself.
So I am a doctor, MD. I graduated from the Jinnah Medical University, Karachi. I did my MBBS, 5 years. Did my house job. I was part of gynae for most of the time, and then I later worked in gynae for 6 months, and I realized I could be a doctor and not be as stressed. So I decided that because I want women to be more empowered, probably aesthetic gynecology or something related to more confidence and beautification is something that I would like to promote. And so because I had not worked with aesthetics before, I just wanted to start working with aesthetics first, and then later on maybe pursue a specialization. So I started, I don't know, luck hit or I don't know what happened, but I started working for Aesthetic Lives. It's been 2 years. I work as a clinical trainer, education manager, and I am in love. I never looked back.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And lucky for us, you have been actually, you are the clinical trainer and bringing all the amazing products and training all the right people.
Exactly.
Making sure that all the doctors are getting the appropriate training before you are actually, seeing any kind of patient. Each and every product has to be something that you get trained on. Nothing that, not just sporadically just kind of pretend like you know something. But Dr. Sukaina is one of those people who make sure that once you have a quality product, you get quality training as well. So tell us about some of the new products that are being launched right now.
So I think since 2 years I've been in this market, and I see a massive change now.
Yeah.
Firstly, previously people were more into getting to a certain look. They would fill up, they would not try to look themselves and become someone else. But I think people are now more aware of what actual beauty is and what actual self-confidence is in their own skin. So now I think we're moving towards the trend of more biorevitalization, bioremodeling. We're moving towards something which is increasing your own beauty. So we're in the era of biostimulators, and so we are now promoting threads, the new technology with HA. It's the 4th generation thread, Namika, and it's good because it just not only provides lift, it's going to release HA, hyaluronic acid, for a very long period of time because it's nano-encapsulated. So it's going to keep increasing the hydration and quality of your skin for a very long time. So now the meaning of threads is not just giving you some sort of stretched, snatched look. Exactly.
Pulled up.
Exactly. Yeah. So it's not just going to be something very pulled up, but also something that's going to keep remodeling your skin, giving it hydration and quality for a very, very long period of time.
Awesome. So used to be, like you mentioned, people used to have all these fake fillers.
Oh, yes.
And it used to look very plastic, right?
Yes.
So it's just not a very natural look. But now with Namika, Aptos thread, and biostimulators, so now people can actually have more of a natural look.
Exactly.
And still be very youthful.
Exactly.
So you don't have to be somebody else. Just be yourself.
Yes. I mean, aging is part of the natural process.
Yeah, of course.
And you can choose to age the way you want to.
Aging with grace is, of course, is always so beautiful.
You cannot stop aging. You can just make it more beautiful, more prettier.
Yeah.
And you can still be yourself and have more confidence. So it's just not threads. We have a lot of biostimulators. We have Profhilo, which is a great hydrator.
Yes, please tell us a little bit more about Profhilo and what are different versions of Profhilo and what is Profhilo for people who don't know.
Profhilo is basically a non-cross-linked hyaluronic acid, and it's now not just non-cross-linked. We have a huge range. And firstly, it was only Profhilo, which was giving all the remodeling, hydration, rejuvenation of skin. But now we have the whole range. We have Structura. So
I'm really excited about Structura.
Exactly,
Yes.
because it's supporting your adipose tissue. It's hyaluronic acid, but it's supporting your adipose tissue.
Right.
So it's giving you the structure that you need without filling your skin, and of course, giving you the hydration that you require as well.
It has like 90 milligram of hyaluronic acid,
more.
which is amazing amount. Usually a lot of the
Exactly.
products will only have like 5, 10, 20, something like that.
Exactly.
But this is just, on another dimension now.
Exactly, because even Profhilo, it has 64.
Yeah.
And now with Structura, you have 90 milligrams.
Awesome.
And it's probably a very revolutionary product. Let's
Absolutely.
just see how people respond to it. But I think it's great. And
Thank you so much for bringing this to the Pakistan market and being part of this whole movement.
Yeah.
Where we know when we are actually, approaching you and you're bringing us something, we know it is actually what you say it is, and it's not a copy. That is so
it's
important,
not.
right?
So our motto as a company has always been not to just sell things for the sake of it.
Right.
We always wanted to promote education. We wanted to promote the products that are quality. We don't want to fool people around, because skin is something you wear for the rest of your life.
Absolutely.
And it's part of your personality. And you have to put in things that are worthy. You cannot just fill in yourself with anything and everything.
Right.
You have to have products that are giving you the real you.
So imagine, we pay so much attention to what we eat. We're paying attention, or at least we should. And imagine what kind of creams you're using and everything else. But especially when we are doing any kind of injectable, anything that is being injected in your skin, you have to be extra careful. So you have to understand this is a good product. You have to understand whether the person who is doing it, they're trained or not. So thank you so much for bringing in Profhilo, Structura, Nemica, and all of these amazing products. We really, as doctors, we appreciate it. Our patients appreciate it, and we always try to create awareness in not only in doctors but as well as in the patients too. Because if the patients are not understanding and if they don't know what questions to ask, it just kind of defeats the whole purpose.
Of course, right? we as providers, we are very thankful to all the doctors, especially you, and the rest of them that understand what quality is. We're always here to promote things that are actually worth investing into, and not just do it for the sake of it.
Absolutely. Yeah. So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And for all of my doctor colleagues, make sure you know what product you're getting. Get the right product. Get the original. Don't go for a copy. And all of my patients and all of the people watching, make sure you understand what you're trying to get, what kind of treatments you're getting. Get something that will help you age gracefully from inside out. We'll be back again.